Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to trade Mobox NFTs. Mobox is a gamified platform that combines NFTs, DeFis and gaming. NFTs in Mobox including Momo characters, Momo farmer items and other collectible assets. Trading NFT means buying, selling or listing them on the Mobox marketplace, usually BNB or MBOX tokens on the Binance Smart Chain BSC. And use a BSC compatible wallet such as MetaMask, Mobox wallet or Trust wallet, and make sure you have a BNB per transaction, gas fees, and first open to one of the web browser that you prefer. And once you get into this interface of your web browser, in the top we can find this address bar. Type down mobox.io and enter it over here. And once you reach into this interface of your Mobox, on the left hand side we can find this Momo farmer. Just below the home, tap to this Momo farmer here, and under this staking over here, under this marketplace, and we'll find all of these NFTs. What you can do is select to this buy over here, simply select one of it, and as I'm going to select over here, and you need to select to this purchase, and you see the NFTs listed for the sale, Momo characters, farmer items, etc. and on the Mobox website here, and over here you can select to this purchase here, and you can confirm your purchase, and you can connect to a wallet of your Mobox, which your Trust wallet is. I'm going to select MetaMask, which is for the common, to connect to a wallet here, and that is it. Now you can buy, and you can buy or sell to your Mobox NFTs. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you how to trade Mobox NFTs. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.